Hello, my friends. I am back home from my last adventure. I have a really awesome job where I can work from the road, but every once in a while I have to come home and make stuff. It's kind of awesome. I get to work with 3D printers, laser cutters, and vacuum formers. And recently I was tasked with coming up with something that I could make with both the 3D printer and the vacuum former, and luckily I have an amazing boss who is constantly open to my random weird suggestions for things that I could make. I decided that since I'm going to have my first official week-and-a-half long road trip adventure coming up here shortly in July, I thought maybe I could use these cool pieces of technology to make something awesome to take with me. So I decided that it might be kind of cool to take my logo for Traveling Dork and turn it into a 3D printable file, print it out on my 3D printer, pop it into the vacuum former, and make my very own Traveling Dork soap. How cool is that? I'm gonna smell so awesome when I go wash all my stink off at the campground. And I made it myself. It's kind of awesome. I have my very own soap with my very own logo. And I'm gonna take it with me, and I'm going to wash my pits in style. Dancing, 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 washing my pits with my own soap, with my logo on it. How cool is that? Yes, I will not quit my day job because obviously I am not a singer. So I apologize for whatever that noise was that came out of my face just now. But my soap makes me happy. If you want to see how I made it, please check out my link below to take you to my work page where you can watch me 3D print it, vacuum form it, build it with the soapy stuff, set it, pop it out, and spend way too much time sniffing it. Yeah. I don't know. I thought I'd just say hi. Nothing special. But how many of you have your very own logo on soap that you made yourself? I'm kind of proud of myself. So I documented it. I guess now I have to decide if I am going to do a follow-up video to show me using it in the showers at the campground, which may require an OnlyFans page. Just kidding. Maybe. Yeah, so thank you for following along and subscribing, putting up with my not so great Broadway musical dream, which will never happen, and hanging out with me while I celebrate my little wins in the world. I am gonna get back inside and earn my monies so that I can get some gas and go. Until then, stay clean. Stay unstinky. And if you get stinky, make your own soap with your own logo on it, like me. And then you can wash your pits in style. Yeah.